Like far from the pedals. Okay. Alright. This is drive, right? Yeah?
Yep.
D is drive?
D is for drive.
Oh, this is high. Oh my god.
Is that good or bad?
I mean...
Yeah, let's roll up the windows.
Why?
So you can, you know, test everything out.
Oh shit.
Careful. Alright, let's test things out in here. Test drive in Lexus
Should I turn over here and kind of
RX
go in this,
350.
like, more neighborhoody area?
Yeah.
What do I do?
I thought he was gonna try to take it.
Oh. It's in my car. I don't even think I'm supposed to turn like that.
It's just لا يذوقون فيها بردا ولا شرابا إلا حميما وغساقا جزاء وفاقا إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا وكذبوا بآياتنا كذابا وكل شيء أحصيناه كتابا فذوقوا فلن نزيدكم إلا عذابا إن للمتقين مفازا حدائق وأعنابا وكواعب أترابا وكأسا دهاقا لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا كذابا جزاء من ربك عطاء حسابا رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما الرحمن.
He says, I seek refuge by the light of your face, which extinguishes all darknesses. That have I done something wrong? Perhaps by which Allah is angry with me.
Actually, it goes off by itself once it gets hot enough. Is it hot?
Ow! Yeah.
Why are you turning it back on?
I just wanted to see it boil. Hey guys, I haven't vlogged all day because I feel terrible. But here's Ahmed. And also, we got this. And we're about to have tea. And eat leftovers for dinner. That's chopped up meatloaf because Ahmed likes to chop up stuff when he puts it in the microwave. Is it hot?
Huh.
No. It's like, I'll show it when it gets out the oven. But anywho, let me make the tea. Assalamualaikum. We just got home from the store. Yeah, so I need to wash my hands. Oh, don't touch your face, Peppa. Yeah, but I'm exhausted. And I'm so hungry, so I'm about to eat. I haven't really been vlogging pretty consistently. Just because like yesterday I wasn't really feeling good. I think I vlogged like a couple clips yesterday, but I'm gonna have to like start combining the clips because I just don't have enough footage for like a day-to-day vlog, and it's ridiculous I haven't even gotten up any of the footage I've done so far, so yeah, but there goes the husband. Killing it, babe. Such an amazing husband. Thank you so much. Well, I'm just like, I'm exhausted and I'm fasting. Yeah, so I'm about to eat and he's about to work. So we just went grocery shopping, and I don't know about anybody else, but after our grocery shop, I don't feel like cooking anything. I hadn't eaten yet, and my baby's like, what the heck are you doing? So now I'm about to eat, but we stopped and got me a Subway sandwich, which once I was in there and the guy was actually fixing it, I was like, ugh. I don't know about this, but the whole time we were out, we were wearing masks, but how much of a difference does that make if other people aren't, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, yeah, I got that, and I'm just gonna eat it with some chips and drink a vitamin water. So yeah, that's the tea.
On the books from the Red Wall series by Brian Jacks, including my blog.
Okay guys, so I just finished taking out all the groceries, so I'm going to show you guys what we got, and please excuse the AC in the background because it's just loud and there's nothing I can really do about it. But yeah, first and foremost, most importantly, I got some Sour Patches. Okay, probably not gonna show that. We got some potatoes, some eggs. I got 2 cans of black beans, 2 cans of chickpeas, an onion. Got some heavy whipping cream, some salsa, and I also got some hazelnut creamer for coffee. I got Basic 4 cereal to be healthy, and then Fruity Pebbles for when I'm not feeling so healthy. I know it's just sugar, but you know. Some bananas, sweet potato fries, flour tortillas, some little toaster sized naan bread, some pita bread, some feta cheese, tartar sauce. We got white macadamia cookies, and also chocolate chip cookies, sharp cheddar cheese slices, some bagels, milk, 2 cans of corn. I got black Shin Ramyun noodles. Like Shin Ramyun or Nongshim noodles, they're like my favorite. So I got those. Chips Ahoy for Ahmed. Some apples, a tomato, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, spring mix, and then we got some veggie burgers, cream cheese, dates, mixed vegetables, some frozen corn on the cob, Mexican mixed shredded cheese because it's Ahmed's favorite one, I think. Lemonade tea, strawberry lemonade, which is delicious, mozzarella cheese, and then I don't know about this turkey bacon, but I got this because they didn't have anything else. So it says vegetarian fed diet, no preservatives, so hopefully it's okay. But excuse that stain. Hopefully it's okay, but yeah, got that. And these are just like paper goods and stuff. I'm too pregnant to be standing there doing a bunch of dishes, so story of our lives. Now I'm going to put all of this away. Pray for me. Okay, so finished putting everything away. Kind of tired, my back's hurting. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna take a breather, take a moment to just kind of chillax, maybe work on journaling and all of that. And once I get it the way I want it, I'll show you guys what that looks like. I think I need to get some more water. After resting for a while, I'm probably going to get back up and go ahead and try to straighten up, because like pretty much everything is like untidy right now. Like I always like clean a bunch and then have to take a couple days just to relax, and then in that couple days we just get a little sloppy.
Pregnant with my child? That's it.
That's it. That's the only reason.
Sister, that's not all I know.
See a little drizzle. Yeah, we're about to go. Oh God. Can you open it? You must close it every time.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah. I just need to take a moment because masha'Allah, my husband's so cute. Hi, husband.
Hey, wife.
We're going to his brother's house. We're going to eat. I don't know if I'm going to film because I always get awkward when I'm at his people's house. Let me not say it like that because I feel like somebody's going to get offended, but that's just how my people say they people. You know.
Mm-hmm. Well, we got driplets on the windshield.
I know. I thought I felt driplets outside. I was like, what the heck? Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna get off here because I can't talk for long periods of time. Like I can't breathe. So bye.
Maybe some hot chocolate. You have some hot chocolate?
Honestly, it sounds good, but like noodles just all up in the front of me right now, and it's just too much. Like I don't think so. Maybe, I don't know.
Sure.
I'm
Maybe.
recording right now.
By the way, the tea kettle, the water thing that you can heat up.
You can't put milk in there. Don't put milk in there.
How do you know?
Because it's gonna stink. Specifically for water.
Yeah, you could clean it out, but I guess so.
You don't want it to like get in the crevices and you miss it, and it's gonna. Yeah, milk is more complicated. And I'm pretty sure if you look at the directions, like it'll say don't put anything but water in here.
I feel like getting the oven my legs or something. They feel kind of like
Swollen?
yeah, kind of.
Bruh, don't be like me now. Hi guys, so we're back home and probably about to get in the bed. It's like 12:42. I'm about to cry. It's like 12:42. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah. Bye. Assalamu alaikum and peace out.